gets 220 brake horsepower from the V6 3-litre engine, and that translates to a blistering 6.8 seconds for the 0 to 60 dash, and a top speed just a midges over 150 miles an hour, which is pretty damn impressive, especially when you take into consideration the fact that you can expect 28 to the gallon in combined driving, and you could take yourself, your family and all your kit with you for the hair-raising journey to that top speed. Now, the cabin is the perfect illustration of the jobs that this car has to do. It has to be a practical car, it has to be a performance car, and it has to be a luxurious car. And as part of the standard package, not only are we getting these fantastic leather Recaro seats, which are heated and powered as part of the standard package. They come in 3 colours, a grey and a black, and this fabulous cherry red. I had a pair of Dr. Martin boots that were this colour in my youth. Fabulous cherry red. They actually call it infrared. Very sort of retro, and that's what the cabin is. It's a delightful mix of retro and contemporary. We've got a lovely blend of colours, of materials, of finishes, of matte finishes, gloss finishes, and this high gloss centre console is specific to the ST220, the flagship of the range. We've got a 6-disc CD player, the auto changer hidden under the seat here. We've got air conditioning. Both of those come as part of the standard package. Here for the driver, again a perfect illustration of what this car is about. A performance retro style hooded instrument binnacle, and the clocks have a classy silver titanium type finish with black and red lettering. It's very Audi-esque. It's quite Teutonic in its own way, and of course there's a massive German influence on a car like this. In fact, I was speaking to the chief designer of this Mondeo ST220, who's a BMW motorcycle riding German who enjoys his performance motoring, but had a brief to deliver a car which wasn't just a performance car but also a luxury car throughout the development of this Mondeo. And I think it's something that other manufacturers really are striving for, to produce enjoyable driver's cars which, when you want to press on and you want to drive in an enthusiastic way, feel fast and sound fast and are rewarding to drive and challenging to drive, but which are also a luxurious place to be and a safe place to be, which is why this car comes as standard with ABS brakes, with traction control, and with a stability program. Some people want to get in cars like this and switch off the traction control, and I don't need ABS. Absolute nonsense. They're a positive aid, not just to safety, but to more enjoyable, enthusiastic driving. I think so anyway. The exterior styling, for me it's a very handsome motor car. Grown up, yes, but then so am I. I love the use of the chicken wire grille, if you will. It's not chicken wire, obviously. It wouldn't be on a £22,000 motor car. You'd be a bit disappointed if it was chicken wire. There's a deep front spoiler, a very subtle body kit with kind of flared wheel arches that wrap around some beautiful multi-spoke 18-inch alloy wheels with performance low-profile tyres, slash-cut dual exhausts sticking subtly out of the back. It's all about hinting at the performance of this car. It's all about suggesting speed. The days of the Larry Performance Saloon in orange or bright Daytona yellow are numbered. Having driven out here on these roads, which are a real mix of sort of fast, sweeping air roads, tortuous, hairpin-strewn mountain roads and congested city traffic, this new Mondeo is a very, very competent companion, and it's attractively priced against the opposition. Ford almost invented the notion of the affordable performance saloon car back in the 60s with the Lotus Cortina. It's certainly in a British context anyway. And I think that with this new Mondeo ST220, they really are right back at the head of the pack.